Salve espartano disruptivo, você quer aprender também como configurar a sua LEDGER NANO S Plus? Eu vou te mostrar como, eu vou te entregar a fonte direto da gringa, direto da fabricante. Aqui você tem todas as informações necessárias para poder fazer a configuração inicial e tem um vídeo, inclusive fala aqui os primeiros passos, o código PIN, a frase de recuperação, mas o que eu achei muito interessante, fuçando exatamente no site da LEDGER, foi esse vídeo aqui que eu vou compartilhar com vocês agora, tá bem? Então vamos ver lá pelo menos parte dele. Eu vou deixar o link aí para você assistir, tanto o link da LEDGER, onde você encontra esse tutorial, quanto o próprio link do YouTube com esse vídeo que está legendado, tá bem? Vamos lá ver uma parte então.
Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Nano S Plus. But first, if you haven't done so already, let's get the LEDGER Live app onto your computer. Just pause the video here and go to the address you see on your screen to download and install it. Once it's installed, open the app and click Get Started. Read and accept the terms of use, then click Enter LEDGER app. Select Nano S Plus and then click the top option for new setup. Have a look through the 4 educational slides. Then click Let's do this. Take one last look around to make sure you're alone, then click OK, I'm ready. Read and click through the reminder. Then when you get to the screen, connect your Nano to the computer using the cable from the Nano box. Once it powers up, use the top button to scroll through the navigation instructions. Click the right button until you see Set up as new device. Press both buttons at the same time to select it, and you'll see it's time to set a PIN code. Press both buttons to confirm, then you'll see Enter a PIN on the device. Use the buttons to find your desired digits, then confirm by pressing both buttons. Repeat that process until you set up your PIN code. Keeping in mind you don't have to use all 8 digits, 4 or more is all you need. Once you've chosen your PIN code, press both buttons to finish. You'll see Confirm PIN on your device. Enter the completed PIN one more time, then press both buttons to confirm. Your screen will now say, write down your recovery phrase. Now, as I cover this part, don't worry about pausing along the way, just keep watching until I explain how to confirm your phrase, then I'll give you a chance to pause and catch up. By the way, this is the most important part of the setup. The whole advantage of a hardware wallet is that it stores your private keys offline. Using apps, screenshots, or password managers to store this phrase totally defeats the purpose, so please avoid them. Just use one of the recovery sheets in your Nano box or a personal notebook and store it in a safe place. Okay, when you're ready, scroll right, read the disclaimers as you go, then press both buttons to continue to your recovery phrase. Write each word next to the correct number on the recovery sheet. Or if you're using a personal notebook, make sure to write the number next to the word. After the last word, you can either scroll back through and check your words or press both buttons to continue, whichever you decide to do. After you press both buttons, your device will show Confirm your recovery phrase. Go ahead and press both buttons to do that. Now, you'll verify each word in order. Starting with word 1, use the buttons to scroll until the correct word is shown. Then press both buttons to confirm. And then you'll repeat that process for every word. After confirming the last word, you'll see your recovery phrase is set. Scroll right and press both buttons to continue, and you'll see processing on your screen. Then your device is ready. Go ahead and pause here to set up your recovery phrase. All right, from the screen that says your device is ready, scroll right and press both buttons to access the dashboard. You're in the right place when you see Install App on your device screen.
É isso aí, rapaziada. Eu não vou continuar com todo o vídeo, porque não tem necessidade de vocês assistirem aqui agora. A finalidade foi só mostrar para vocês onde vocês podem encontrar esse tutorial, tá? Então, para não me alongar mais, eu vou postar mais tutoriais sobre tudo que há de interesse em relação à LEDGER para você ficar com conhecimento mais amplo, ficar mais seguro e não se tornar refém de ninguém, tá bom? Se você gostou, considere compartilhar esse vídeo e também, se achar conveniente, me seguir para ficar atualizado com os próximos vídeos. Um forte abraço então, valeu!